Yeah. What does it do? How you guys doing today? We are back again, and we're on a little early today. I got some good sleep last night, so I didn't snooze my alarm too much. But um, yeah, bro, we're on already. Just trying to create my daily bias already. Um, I don't know where I'm at with it though. So looking at the 1 day, we're so close to having a break of structure on the daily. Um, Probably already got it, honestly. Yeah, we probably already got the breaker structure on the daily this low. So because this high, this is the newest low. So we have a lower low right here. So yeah, we probably already got a breaker structure, but I'm looking for a continuation. So a continuation would be this candle closing past this low as well. So that's like confirming there's a shift in the trend. Um, but I don't know how far we're going to go down with this breaker structure. Um, but I just want to wait until market, see what confluences I get on higher time frames. Maybe we get a 4 hour breaker structure. Um, we could get a 4 hour breaker structure to the upside if we sweep Asia lows. We could get a 4 hour continuation if we just come past Asia low. I mean, if we sweep Asia highs, we'll get a 4 hour breaker structure. But if we sweep Asia lows and London and Asia lows, we'll get a 4 hour continuation. 1 hour. In the 1 hour, we could get a breaker structure on the 1 hour. Yeah, we could very much get a breaker structure on the 1 hour. Price would just have to close down below London lows, and we have to see. We got 10 minutes until market opens, so don't rush anything. 30 we can get a breaker structure right here. While we're at this, let me change this color to white. We can get a breaker structure right here, which it looks like we might be doing. This candlestick has 9 minutes to close, so yeah. But this could be a 30-minute breaker structure. And then if that's a 30-minute breaker structure, that means it's a 5 minute breaker structure. Well, we got multiple breaker structures on the 5 minute, but that means it's another breaker structure on the 5 minute. Going to be a 5 minute dump off. We might get a 15-minute breaker structure. Yeah, we're gonna get a 15. We already got one on the 15. Actually, no, we didn't get one on the 15 yet. But if we can get a 30-minute breaker structure, that'd be really good for our confluences. Wait, did we? Oh, we already got it. It seems. I don't know. Yeah, 8 minutes though. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Need a water. I always come here with no water. Hey, man. We only need. Let me see. Shit. Do we even need? Let me see. I think we only need like 1,200 to pass the eval today. 52, 199 minus 53202. We literally need $1,010 today. So pass the eval. And then we're back on Express for tomorrow. There is news today, but it's a lot later. It's like at 11 a.m. It's an orange folder, and then at 2 p.m. we got a red folder. But we don't really trade around these times, so we should be okay to trade in the. We should be okay. Market should like not be as heavily impacted. We do have equal lows. I think it looks like we just barely swept that low, so it doesn't look like they're equal lows. Wait, this. So this is London low actually. All right. Mm, bro, we just gotta wait and see the reactions we get in the next 7 minutes and 20 seconds when market finally opens. But let's check out the higher time frames. So On the 1 week, we're still on an uptrend. We just have a huge bearish candle coming down. But you see what happens when we get that. We get a displacement, rally up. So I think we're just getting another displacement and another rally up. Because look, it just displacement, rally up, displacement, rally up, displacement, rally up, displacement, rally, displacement, rally. So yeah, I think that's what we're doing. I don't think we're forming an actual downtrend unless now if we get a break of structure on the weekly, price will have to come all the way down here. No, on the here. Price will have to close all the way down here. If we get a break of structure on the weekly, that wouldn't really mean anything to us because like it takes a week for this shit to close. So like we'll just be catching on the moves on that break of structure. But if we get a break of structure on the weekly, that means that align up shorts pretty well for next week as well, because next week aren't going to be as good performing days, if that makes sense. Um, on the one day, like I said, we need to get a break of structure. We got a break of structure on the 1 day right here. Got a break of structure right here on the 1 day. And then we got a 4 hour break of structure. Well, no, we didn't get a four. Well, we got a 4 hour break of structure yesterday. But like there's really, if we just keep going past, if we just keep continuing down, all right, cool. But we got to find the entry point for this. We got 5 minutes left. So let's see. So from these lows to size to these lows, equilibrium will be about where that hourly high is. So that would be a good entry point for sales if we were to enter based off the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we have the setup we're looking for on the 1 hour though. Yeah, if we get a closure past London lows, that would be a break of structure on the 1 hour, which is what we're looking for. So it's looking like price is starting to head that way. And then on the 30 minute, we get a, like I said, on the 30, same with the 1 hour and the 30 minute. If we get a closure past London lows, break of structure. So if we get that, depending on if we get that, that'll probably give me another sign that we're going short today. But also at the same time, I want to wait and react to my key levels. I want to see how my key levels react once they get hit. The key levels are Asia, London. Asia, London high, London, Asia low. Those are the key levels. So depending on how price reacts once it sweeps these levels, that's how we're going to decide how we're going to execute today. I need to get some more. I have some water by my desk. Got 3 minutes left. I'm gonna do my TikTok streaks. I don't remember doing them at all. But looking at the 1 day, there's so many fair value gaps that have to get filled though. Like that's another thing. So it's like we have this fair value gap right here. We have this daily fair value gap at price. This is only on the daily. We have that daily fair value gap, and then on the 4 hour, we have another fair value gap on the 4 hour. We have this fair value gap right here. Well, actually, it'll be right here. We have that fair value gap right there. The price hasn't tapped into yet at all. So we could be in for longs today, just basically off, just based off of the retracement that price needs to create in order to go down. But like I said, price market opens in 2 minutes. So it's looking like we're starting to get some bullish momentum. Let's check the 5 minute. All right, we did not get that break of structure, but we got a leg up. We got order block. We got the leg up. We have not got a break of structure yet. So, but we have order block so far. We have order block. Oh, no. This isn't the move that took out a liquidity sweep, but this is the start of the new trend. All right, we got a break of structure on the 1 minute. I mean, on the 5 minute. On the 15. On the 15, we're looking for price to get past here, close past here. On the 5. All right. Whoa. Shit. I'm not, bro. I tapped into that order block. Remember, if we get a closure past, yep, break of structure on the 5 minute. So that means break of structure on the 30 minute. I'm going down to London lows. Not gonna enter. Not gonna enter. Just want to watch London lows get swept. That's part of the strategy. You don't enter off these moves. I mean, we could have caught this move, made a quick buck, but it's not worth it. Let's just wait to see our key level get taken out, and let's see the reaction price has to it. In the next 3 minutes, I think this candle alone is just going to sweep London lows. Hopefully, it's not like yesterday's candle where it literally just ran through everything. Like one candle took everything out, literally. But we got that 30-minute break of structure that we were looking for. Oh wait, no, we haven't. Wait, we did, yeah. We're holding a 30-minute break of structure. So at 10 o'clock, we'll have a shift in trend. And yeah, so I'm short today. I want to take shorts. But at the same time, got to keep in mind the reaction that price is going to have once we sweep this. And all right, bam, we just swept it. Just swept it. All right, boom, swept. Let me see. Let me do my TikTok streak real quick. Damn, I lost so many streaks. Just do the ones that I have. All right, this candle has a minute left. So what we need from this candle, we need to get our reversal confluences or our continuation confluences. Either break structure, inverse fair value gap, or 79% extension would be reversal confluences. And continuation confluence would be fair value gap, equilibrium, order block, breaker block. So far, we have equilibrium set, so price is going back into equilibrium. We have this. Let me turn this damn magnet off. We have this order block set right here, and we have not created a fair value gap yet. But this is the order block because this is the move that took out this liquidity. So this is the order block right here. Um, Equilibrium, we were in a discount. Let's see how we close these next 30 seconds. Hopefully we could, well, we're going to create a fair value gap. But hopefully, price probably doesn't reverse in our direction. If it reverses in our direction, we'll just switch up the buys and go long. Doesn't matter. We just need $1,010 today. $1,003 to be exact. All right, we swept. Getting green for the 5 minute. Get bullish momentum. But let's just wait, bro. We really gotta wait. Like our setups, we know our setups usually don't appear until like 9:50 ish. So all of this is just like just wait, just a waiting game, honestly. All right, so that I don't really want to mark this, but because this candle isn't closed, but we have a small fair value gap right here, and the fair value gap happens to be in equilibrium. So wait, let's go down to the 1 minute, get a better look. So on the 1 minute, if we could get a breaker structure on the 1 minute, that would be huge. That would mean we're going. That would mean we're probably reversing. What the fuck is that line for? If we can get a breaker structure on the 1 minute at this high, closure above it, closure above this lower high right here, that'll be a sign that it's a shifting trend. But are we going to get a continuation? Yep, we're going to get a continuation. Continuation. Ooh, that was close. If this candle closes below here, we're for sure looking short. Um, so 30 minute, yeah. It was 30 minute. Oh, 30 minute, we didn't even get the breaker structure. Well, we got it. Yeah, we did. We got the breaker structure on the 30 minute. Um, just waiting to see if we hold the liquidity sweep. Swept the liquidity. Now we just got to see what price wants to do. If price is going to continue, we had trying to see what confluences could have been hit. We hit equilibrium. We tapped into this fair value gap on the 1 minute, but we really didn't for real, for real. Like we just like wicked in it. Just got to be patient and wait. Because if we could find an entry up here, we could just take a short down to Asia low. Um, and that'll be our. That should give us the eval. That should get us off the eval. So we just got to be patient and wait for our entry to appear. I feel like this 5 minute candle is going to start forming our setup. Like the closure of this candle is going to start forming our entry to our trade. So this just happened on the one. Holy fuck. Drake of Doom. All right, if we get a closure, like I said, if we get a closure below here, that means we're going down. So wait, let's see if we get it. Damn. I don't know if this move is big enough for what we need though. We got 2 seconds though. All right. I'm not trying to rush. We got equilibrium. Shit, this is moving super fast. 5 minute. This 5 minute candle is piss poor, dude. Yeah. I think our best bet is just waiting for equilibrium to appear. Or honestly, just waiting for Asia lows to get swept because this isn't going to be too good of a move. This is only going to be like fucking $200, $300. We're better off now if we entered up here off of this, off of the closure of this candle, we would have been straight. But it's cool. We're going to take out Asia lows. So now our bias is really about to get tested. We're about to see, is price going to stay going in the direction of our bias, or are we going to have to flip our bias because price is going to reverse to go back up to take out these higher draws on liquidity? London high, Asia low. Asia high, and these other hourly draws on liquidity, or are we going to keep going and trying to take out these draws on liquidity? I don't know. That's what we have to wait and look for. Um, if this candle doesn't take it out, the next one will. Let's check the 1 minute because this might be giving us an entry to Asia lows. Wait, that one's too high. It'll be this high to this low. All right, we're in equilibrium. Yeah, we're in equilibrium. Equilibrium is the only confluence we have with this shit though, so that's very risky. Um, See, we're about to get a break of structure to the upside. because there is no fair value gap.
Order filled.
All right. We got equilibrium. We
Order
cashed,
filled.
but we still need like 100 more. Let me see how many more bones we need. We still don't have enough money. That's why I was skeptical of making that move, but it's all right. What we'll do is, shit, we got to scalp. We got to scalp. We dead need 100 more bones. I'm not really like the best scalper, but shit, we finna try. We finna try that today. Let's wait for the closure of this candle.
Order filled.
What just happened? All right, there we go. We passed it. Woo! All right, bam. Should I take another trade today? Honestly, I wouldn't even mind taking another trade today because that wasn't even really the move for real. So, but I gotta wait for them to send me my confirmation so I could pay for my activation fee. But that was a good setup. While we wait for that email, I think I might take another trade today because that wasn't even like the move for real. Like we're still in the process of the move happening. Like you can still find an entry into here, but we waited for equilibrium, bro. Just solely off of equilibrium. Just waited for price to tap into equilibrium, and then I just entered. But we swept Asia lows. We're continuing to dump. Um, but yeah, bro. I want to hop back on and take out these draws on liquidity, bro, because I know we're gonna hit these shits. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to enter in on my demo account just to see if I'm right. Um, yeah, I'm gonna enter in right here. Still gonna trade for you guys, but the video's short. All right, we got equilibrium here, here. Actually, I want to try and wait for a. I want to see what happens. It's just stalling right now. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, I got the express right now. I'm just trying to see if I'm gonna take a trade. I'm recording this video in case I happen to take a trade. Um, but yeah, I just want to see if I can take a trade. Try to get some points off. We're on MNQ. Switch to micros. Chart is a lot less cluttered because the artwork doesn't transfer over, sadly. Um, but yeah, on the demo account, we cashed for 10K. Um, cash for 10K on the demo account. Show you guys close positions. I don't know if you guys can see it. 63, well, 6,100, and then another 3,400, and then total today P&L $10,050. Hopefully we could do that in real life one day. But just looking for a trade right here. I like us to go lower. But it's looking like we just came off a liquidity sweep. And we're getting to break a structure to the upside. So longs might be in play here. Don't know. We gotta wait and see. Be patient. This is all just a low time frame retracement. We got a 5-minute liquidity sweep. Yeah, got a liquidity sweep on 5 minute. That's what it looks like. So I don't know. I don't really know if I really want to take a trade today, though. That's the thing. I don't know if I took my trade already. All right, we're getting the leg up. Okay. Like I don't even have any freaking draws on liquidity marked out. Let me see. It's so hard to mark on the 1 hour. So everything is just down here. Yeah, so let's go to the 1 minute. See what price is doing. We got that breaker structure to the upside. Got the leg up. All right, now we just gotta see. Are we in equilibrium for a long? Wait, I did that wrong. From these lows to these highs. All right. Liquidity sweep, breaker structure. Right. No fair value gap. I don't know. I don't know if I want to take a trade today, honestly. I mean, we are on micro, so most we'll lose is like $100, but I want to start off right on this account. What I really want to see, though, I really want to see us come down, get a breaker structure to the downside, and I'll go short to here. But I doubt that's gonna happen. All right, we got that breaker structure to the upside. We're shifting trends, is what it looks like. Coming down bearish. But keep in mind, these higher time frames are still bearish. So this is just a low time frame retracement. Like this 5 minute, it's 5 minute and 15 minute. They're all 30-minute retracements for price to go lower. We're gonna see what this next candle does in the next 6 minutes. Highly doubt it's gonna turn this candle green. What is it? It's marked at that 30-minute high. I don't think we're gonna get there. We're climbing though. We're inside this fair value gap right here. see if we inverse it. Just tap into that fair value gap. Now we're falling. See if we get that breaker structure to the downside like we wanted. If we get that breaker structure to the downside, I'll enter a trade short. I wouldn't even fucking think twice about it. Like I'll hit the button. Forget that breaker structure to the downside. I think we're finna get it. I think we're gonna get it. Mm. All right. We're gonna get the breaker structure to the downside right here, though. Because once we get that, if we get that breaker structure to the downside, pretty sure we'll be in equilibrium. So from these lows, yeah, we're in equilibrium too. You got to reject the fair value gap. I got a LinkedIn notification. Is that LinkedIn? Yeah, man. See if we can get this breaker structure to the downside. If we get that, that's cool. I wouldn't mind entering because, like I said, we're on micros. Stop isn't going to be like a losing trade isn't going to destroy the account like if we're on micros. Minis, I meant to say. Alright.
Order filled.
Bro, let's look for other draws on liquidity that I could possibly mark out. Like here, and like here as well. It's 3. We have 5 cons. What I'm gonna do is Bro, why's my phone like being annoying right now? It's just in the way of everything. Where's that? 230052. We're in a short, so I gotta hit buy. All right, bam. It's gonna be TP1. That's gonna be once TP1 cashes, we'll have a secured 150-day payout, and then we'll do another buy for 2 there. All right, so that's TP1, that's TP2, TP3 is the last one. All right, bam. See, once TP1 hits, we're just gonna move stop to break even, and then literally whatever the hell happens, happens, because we'll have a secured payout day. Damn, dude, are we gonna get it? We keep getting a move down. Oh wait, isn't there news today? There's news today at 11. All right, news today at 11. Hopefully, we can hit TP1 before 11. Like, I rather I rather take this two. I rather take this 225 loss. I rather risk this 225 than pass up on a shot to make $1,700 today. I really want to. Yeah, bro. I think after today, you know, regardless of what happens today, it's a successful day, bro. But after today, after I get off the charts, I think I'm gonna go hop on Minecraft or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Those hardcore Minecraft videos been really inspiring me, bro, to get my Minecraft game up. Me and the bros been hopping on there. Let's see. It's got to be patient and wait. I just want TP1 to get hit. If TP1 gets hit, we're fucking golden. And then like I don't know if this orange folder is gonna do anything to the market. If anything, it'll work in our favor. Like we're selling, you know what I'm saying? So, like, if anything, we're selling. So it should work in our favor. But the rally after, like, but one candle, like literally one candle, will work in our favor. Let's check higher time frames. See what higher time frames are doing. So the 15 minute is red. 30 minute is continuing to go red. It's going between red and green on the 30. The 1 hour is still fucking dropping. 4 hours still dropping as well. So we just need the bullish. We just need the bearish momentum to kick in. That's how you know. Like that's how when candles like that. That's how I know like trades are going in my favor because like that just shows how strong the selling pressure is. But this could also be bad because it shows how strong the buying pressure is. So depending on how this candle closes, it lets me know like if I'm doing good, like if this is a good trade to take, or if this was a good trade to take. We just got to be patient. Stay patient, stay calm, and we'll be there. We'll be at TP1 in a little minute. Scroll on TikTok for a little minute. Why does 2K26 low key look good this year? The hell? Yo, why does 2K26 look good, dude? What the fuck? Alright. Bro, this isn't anything, bro. Like, this is just straight consolidation right now. I want to close so bad. Uh, nah. Nah. I'm not gonna close it. I'm not gonna close it. I can't close it. That's against my trading rules. But if I keep getting consolidation, I will make an exception. Come on, give me a break, bro. Where are the big, huge candles that we were getting, like the big drakes? There we go. See, I would have been pissed if I closed that. We just need that to continue for these last 10 seconds. Come on, just keep going in our favor. Just keep going in our favor. Just keep going. 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 Let's keep going. This next candle is probably gonna go back up, but we need this next candle to like continuation. Like we need a continuation candle. I think we might be getting it. That's exactly what we needed. Whoa. All right, let me hop on Clash. I've not been on Clash in a minute, but Clash, I'm just gonna play. I'm just gonna raid a village or two just to simulate some time. At 10, well, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm not. I was gonna say at 10:55. I was gonna close it because of that news can't because of the news. But I'm gonna just wait and see. I'm gonna just hopefully we hit take profit one. Oh, we're about to hit it. I gotta break these walls. Put the king there. Put the queen here. Healing here. Could have swore I dropped that rage. Bro, why do they never run in my rage, bro? Whoa. Not too bad. Not my best, bro. Got 2 stars. Bro, I could have. I thought we were about to hit TP. Baseball 9 is another good mobile game as well. Also, bro. All right, so I was on TikTok and I saw this one TikTok. It was like, what's the male equivalent of flowers? And a lot of people were saying banana bread. And I'm not gonna lie, bro. That does not sound bad. Like banana, I'm not trying to sound like a follower or anything, but like banana bread does not sound bad at all. Like I could go for some banana bread right now. I'm pretty hungry. I could go for some cereal or anything right now, actually. Honestly, too secure payout, bro. Right there. Just to secure the payout. Just to secure the payout eligible day, bro. I think we're golden. I think we just gotta wait, bro. We just gotta wait. It's just gonna be a long wait. Really it. Once we hit TP1, we're for sure golden. Like we're gonna get filled within these next 3 candles, depending on how far this candle goes up. This is literally hell to watch. Gotta have diamond hands. Gotta have diamond hands. Now, if this was like 2 contracts of like micro, I mean not micro, mini NQ, bro. shit, this would probably be like a $5,000 fucking take profit. And I'll be panicking right now, bro. Like I would not stop watching it. That stop loss would be like where that stop loss was at, that'd have probably been like fucking $600. Bro, no way. Oh my gosh, bro. We get so close, but yet we're so fucking far. It's so annoying to watch, dude. Play Block Blast. Like that's the thing, bro. Like you just gotta like I'm chilling right now because I know I have a guaranteed $205 payout day. But it's like, bro, we were literally like I know you want to go hit take profit, dude. Just hit it, bro. Like, just hit the take profit. Like on Block Blast, bro. What's your guys' score on highest score on Block Blast? On mine, like I got my high score so high to the point where I don't even play the like traditional game mode anymore. Like I play the adventures now. But I have yet to actually like finish one. All right, there we go. TP1 just cashed. I'll leave. Stop right there. We're up 300. Wow. All right, there we go. Got two more to go. I'll leave stop right there. So we get out today with like a little over 450. Bro, I accidentally placed that block in the wrong place. In a big retracement up. We're gonna be here for a while. We're gonna be here during news. Hopefully the news candle goes in our favor. Oh, we might get stopped out. I don't think so. Let me just turn my volume up so I can like hear whatever happens because I'm pretty locked in right now. Not gonna lie. But I want to start making like different type of content for for the channel because like people actually watch my videos, and I know trade recap videos could kind of be boring, so I want to start doing different things. I'll probably give you guys like some day in the life vlogs or whatever stuff like that. Um, and then also I go back to school next week, so I'm gonna have to figure out my trading schedule because I have it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I have a class at 10 from 10 to 10:50. So in 10 o'clock is literally like probably the prime time that I'm trading or I'm in a trade. Um, so I'll have to figure that out. I have to figure out how I'm gonna do my videos and how I'm gonna trade. But we'll get that worked out. We'll figure that out. It's nothing really too big of an issue. All right, we're back. Yeah, the recording ended. One thing I'm gonna do is, um, I want to invest into my setup more because, like I said, people actually watch this, so I want to make it more enjoyable for people that watch. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys are tired of this trash camera quality and shit like that. So, first payout that I get. I'm gonna most definitely put that towards some useful things, channel wise and investment wise also. But we got to get there first. I'm focused on getting there. Shit, we already have our first payout date secured, honestly. So I mean, but if we could really hit this whole trade, bro, that'd be big. That'd be huge. But I'm not really stressing it too much, honestly. But I want to challenge myself to be more consistent. I'm not trading tomorrow. Oh yeah, just letting you guys know, I'm not trading tomorrow. Go over here to Forex Factory. Look who speaks. Oh, tomorrow's Thursday. My fault. I'm I'm trading tomorrow. I'll trade tomorrow. Damn, that's a lot of news. I don't think I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Actually, never mind. I might not trade tomorrow, bro. This is a lot of news. PMI, and then I'm most definitely not trading Friday. Powell is speaking. I don't even want to go near the market on the day he speaks. But I don't know if I'm going to trade tomorrow. I gotta see. I don't want to take a trade during any major news because every time I take a trade during major news, I literally lost. Um, so if I do get on tomorrow, I'll get on and just stock the market and just wait. But I don't think I'm gonna take a trade. Honestly, if I win today, if I take this big win today, I'll take tomorrow and Friday off, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Because I don't I don't like the when you're trading high impact news, especially during your trading times. Like if it was just all at 8:30, okay, I'll be cool with trading because that's an hour after my trading time, and all the liquidity that this news caused will most likely be already almost gone in the market. So it'll be almost somewhat normal market conditions, right? But like 9:45, this is literally in between my times. So literally like this is literally like times that I enter in trades, 9, 10 a.m. I'm in trades around these times. So I probably have to hop on the charts a little bit later. But nah, I don't know. If I have to do that, I just rather not trade, honestly. Just take the day off. So I think I'm gonna hold myself to it and take the day off tomorrow. Especially if this hits. Yeah, because I'm not risking this tomorrow. But I'm gonna get on tomorrow. I'm gonna get on the market tomorrow. And if market gives me a reason to take a trade, I'll place it. We're on micro, so I'm not really worried too much about the risk. Market gives me a reason to place one, I'll place it. But if I don't see anything that I like, I'm not going to place it. And then Friday's a no brainer. I'm sleeping in. I'm not even touching the fucking charts. So yeah. Um, bro, where does this block go? If I okay, yeah, put that there. There we go. Block Blast is like such an interesting game. Like it's like you really have to have like a big brain to play this, bro. Oh, I might have just lost. Let me see. Can this go? Okay, no, I didn't lose. I gotta clear up three. It's too easy. Too easy. Damn, just like that. Let me see. Some of you guys probably have a higher score than me. Mine is, I don't know if you can see, but it is 25K. Like after I got 25K, I literally like I don't know. I just stopped playing it. Like it was like, okay, like is that really all to it? Just keep getting new high scores. And then I just started liking the adventure mode more because like I don't know, it's levels. Like each mode is different and stuff. And then I actually want to challenge. Like I've been trying to challenge myself to actually complete an adventure mode. But the thing is, I don't play the game long enough or that much. Like on some shit. Like if I was touching this game every day, I would complete one. But it's like I really only touch it every now and then I literally like they be expiring and shit, and all that. So, but I'm gonna try to hold myself to complete one. This one ends in a day, so I'm most definitely not gonna complete it because I'm not finna just sit on this game all day. But when my next one starts, I'm gonna like try to make sure like I finish it or some shit, bro. um, This goes here. Yeah, but this game is just. I think this might be my favorite game. Either this or Retro Bowl. Retro Bowl is just one of those games that like I just never stop playing. Like on my phone wise. Like I just never stop playing. And then Fallout Shelter. Fallout Shelter's up there too. I fuck with Fallout Shelter. But I be deleting it because it takes up a lot of storage on your phone. And then when you delete it, you lose your whole vault. So I literally go periods of time, like long periods of time without playing it. How much are we up? Trail stop to this high. So if we get stopped out, we're up 500 today. I have to. There's no way I'm not the best. Oh shit! I spoke too soon. Never mind. There's no way I'm not the best block blast player in the world, though, bro. Like, bro, I was having this conversation with my friends yesterday, and I was just like I said something pretty stupid, but like it genuinely made me question, bro. So we were talking about like how if we get rich, right? Like we wouldn't, nobody would know, but there would be signs. And I literally, and like it came to my head, I was like, bro, like if I get rich, one thing like there would be signs, and that sign would be that I hire someone to work in my kitchen to make me PB and J's. Like I hire the best PB and J maker in the world to come work in my kitchen. They whip me at PB J's all day. And then like they didn't agree with that idea. And then them not agreeing with the idea isn't what I'm trying to get at. I'm trying to get at I wonder who is the best PB and J maker in the world. Like who do you guys think make like, let me Google it, bro. Let me ask ChatGPT actually. Let's see what he says. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, news comes out in a minute. Grandma level PBJs. Or why is ChatGPT even moving so slow? I think news might not go in our direction. What news events and minutes? This is FOC, FMOC. Oh shit. Yeah, we might be chopped cheese. Should I just close the trade? I'm not gonna close it. We got trail stop loss. If it hits that shit, we up 500. I really thought news was gonna go in our favor though. Is it? Nah, it's not. So grandma level PB and J's. So ChatGPT says like grandmas as a whole, like actual grandmas make the best PB and J's. Hmm. What the fuck? Crunchy PB and J? Nah, that's wicked. What? But FIFA 26 comes out in a little minute. But all right, that might be what we needed to start going down. But been in this trade for a fucking decade. Ah, where do we even enter it? We entered up off of here. All right, I think news is gonna stop us south. Oh, it's just a straight consolidation. All right, everybody get stopped out. Are we saved by the bell? Question mark. I mean, I'm supposed to leave my stop at break even, but I'm not gonna do that to you guys. I'm not gonna do that to myself. This is just the first day on the express. Just trying to get my cash up on some shit. And are we out? All right, yeah, we're
Order
out.
filled.
Trade did not go our way as we wanted. We wanted to take out this level and this level, but still a very good trading day. Um, shit, flawless execution today. Hopefully, we can carry this momentum on into the next week. What the flip just happened? Hopefully, we can carry this momentum on into the next week or until tomorrow. What's that up? Lockout. 514 on the first day. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. Hopefully, we can continue doing it. Are we about to go get stopped at a break even too? Yeah, we're gonna get stopped at a break even. That's not bad though. I don't really care. We still make good money today. Still make good cheese on some shit. Um, hey, bro, we're back on here. We got our risk under control. Only thing that could stop us from now is us, the psych. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video is long. If you're new here, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, have a good day.